Where's your flag? Oh, you think
How long have you been playing tennis?
I've been playing for around 6 to 8 months.
How many times a week do you come to practice?
5 days a week.
Do you enjoy playing tennis?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me why you enjoy playing tennis?
Because I love the sensation of hitting the ball and also the environment.
We would do 2 times, 1 by 1.
How long have you been coaching?
15 years.
What are some techniques to know for playing tennis?
The first one, all the time you come, you go side. When you want to hit the ball, you go side. You go to the open stand, when you go side with the closed stand. And the second one, it's your grip on the racket, the forehand grip, touch the ball, this position, and the backhand grip, touch the ball, this position. You don't hit the ball flat like this because all the time it will just fly away. So you try to go with this position of the racket, the grip's a little bit close. And third one, you need to run a lot, guys, actually. This is it.